How to fix Instagram Reels lag. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can fix your Instagram Reels lagging. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up your Instagram and you will get right here, of course. So what happens is sometimes Instagram lags, and especially the reels. The reels are not loading, they're not, playing. So that's the issue a lot of people face. How to fix it? Well, what you need to do is you're going to go to your profile. Once you get to your profile here, you're going to click on these three lines at the top. Click on settings. Once you click on settings, now you have to click on account. You can see just under ads, we have account. Once you click on account, you can see here we have this option, which is data usage. So we have a bunch of other options available. We have manage interests, contacts, sharing, original photos, and more. And you can see under sharing to other apps, we have data usage. So you're going to select this one. And here we have use less mobile data. So if this option is enabled, you can see using less mobile data may affect your experience on Instagram. For example, photos and videos may take longer to load. So sometimes this option is enabled like this. This is blue. So that is the reason your Instagram is lagging and it's taking longer for pictures to load, because you have actually enabled this option to use less mobile data. So you need to switch this off from here. If you have switched this up, then this will actually help you and your Instagram will load faster, especially your reels. Other than that, you can actually, if the problem is still there, you can reinstall your Instagram app. You can uninstall it and then install it again, and hopefully it will work for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.